This volume and this fullness and this definition, this is my best wash and go yet. And it took me like less than 10 minutes to do. This is the best one yet. Let me tell you how I did it. Hey y'all, today we are working with QVR Hair and this is their 18-inch kinky curly V-Part wig. As you can see here, the wig does come with an adjustable band in the back to adjust it to fit your head correctly. There's also an adjustable strap inside the wig and mini clips inside the wig. So let's jump right into this install. This is how the hair looked right out the box, y'all. I didn't wash, condition, or anything, and I'm showing y'all the inside of this wig again and the elastic band in the back that you can use to tighten the wig or loosen it to your head. So y'all, I threw this wig right on my head and got to installing it, and I'm installing this wig with no leave out, so that's why I don't have any leave out. This makes for one of the easiest installs, and right here you can see me using that adjustable elastic band in the back and tightening it to fit my head perfectly. And yeah, so from there all I'm doing is taking some water and spraying my hair, drenching my hair in water so that I can properly define these curls. Once my hair is soaking wet, I do take my detangling brush and detangle the hair very well, brush through it, and make sure that the curls are super defined and drenched. So yeah, I do this to my whole head, and I just wet my whole head, brush through it, and define all my curls. And look how good these curls look once they're wet and being brushed through and defined. And I really can just sit here and do this like for a long time because I just love seeing the curls wet, juicy, and defined. And I just know they're gonna dry so beautifully. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all do not skip this step when you get your wigs, because as you can see here, the curl pattern looks completely different than it did when I first took the wig out the box. So I did go ahead and trim a few pieces that I felt like were hanging a little low. Honestly, this wig was not bad at all, so I didn't have to trim much. And then I did layer the front of my wig just a little bit. I didn't layer it much at all because I think it actually kind of already came pre-layered a little bit. It was already a little shorter in the front, like how I like my wigs. So yeah. And then what I'm doing right here is just taking some pieces of the hair and then finger coiling them to help define the curls even further. This part is not necessary, but this is something I've been doing lately with these natural kinky curly and afro curly wigs to help define the curls and prevent them from frizzing and, you know, not being as defined as they can be. So I just go in and individually grab little sections, wrap it around my finger and finger coil them, and it does make a difference. But you absolutely do not have to do this step because the wig will turn out gorgeous, finger coils or not. Just make sure that the curls are very, very defined, wet, and juicy. You guys, no glue, no leave out, no lace, no frontal, no closure, okay? Literally a V-part wig. No heat on my hair, nothing. Literally just clipping into your head and boom. Look how natural this looks. Look how realistic this looks. This texture right here, very much natural and realistic. I could fool anybody, and this is the like easiest wig install ever. If you don't know how to do lace, okay, you don't know how to glue down wigs, okay, you don't know how to style or leave out, okay, get you a V-part wig. Literally just clip it in and boom. Okay y'all, and this is how the hair turned out once it was dried. Right here in these clips, the hair is not fully dry, but it is mostly dry for the most part. So yeah, this is how the hair turned out, y'all. And because it wasn't fully dry, it did dry even fuller. And then I'm showing y'all no leave out, okay, no lace. This is how the hair dry. And then for some of those curls that I did finger coil, I'm just separating them in the front to give the hair a little bit more volume and a little bit more fullness, while still being sure to make sure that the curls are defined and I'm not freezing them up. So yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. Super gorgeous, super full, super defined. As you can see here, very shiny. It was just so low effort. I didn't have to style any leave out, didn't have to worry about any lace. And this is a perfect option for people who don't know how to do lace, don't know how to do their leave out, and just want a natural looking option. This right here is perfect. No leave out, no lace. This is how the back of the hair looked. Very full, very defined, very juicy, just very, very, very gorgeous. Like, I have no complaints about this install, y'all. I love this. It was super easy, and I love something that's super fast and easy because yeah, I literally will be taking this wig off at night and snapping it right back in the morning now that my curls are defined and everything. And I could do that for the next 2 weeks, next month. Like, I just love quick and easy hairstyles. And you guys, this hair dried super full, and first of all, it's not even fully dry. It's still very much damp in a lot of parts, so the hair is going to dry even bigger than this. But this right here, it gives real hair. And like I said, no leave out, you guys. No lace, no leave out, okay? No gluing. Just clip it in and go. It doesn't get any easier than this, okay? Just clip on your wig and go. Thank ya. Out of 10. So y'all, that is the final look of this install. Like I mentioned, this is the 18-inch V-Part kinky curler unit from QVR Hair. And of course, to shop this unit, the link will be down below in my description. So yeah, make sure y'all get y'all one, and thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. So let's take this off quick and easy. Let me show y'all how easy it is to take it off. The way I'm taking this off is literally the way I put it on, okay? These clips. Unclip. Okay, those are out. These clips back here. Unclip, those are out. Pull it out right there. Pull it out right there. And to put it back on, I just do the same thing and clip it on. Y'all, 10 out of 10. I could do my hair in 5 minutes in the morning and go about my day. Yeah.